Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Curious about who's been viewing your Facebook profile? In this video, I will explain whether or not it is possible to see who checks out your profile the most. Let's go. Many users still wonder if there's a way to see who viewed their profile. Despite numerous claims and third-party apps promising to reveal this information, Facebook maintains a strict policy on user privacy. This means that officially, no feature allows you to see who has viewed your profile. And here's why you can't see your profile viewers. First is Facebook's policy. Facebook has always maintained a stance against revealing profile viewers, and this protects user privacy. Then second, third-party apps are unreliable and risky. Some apps claim to show profile views, but these don't work and can be security risks as they might also steal your information. While you can't definitively see who viewed your profile, you can get an idea of who might be interested in you. You can base on the engagement on your posts. People commenting and reacting to your posts will likely have viewed your profile. Also, the friend suggestions. You'll see in this tab that Facebook might suggest people you know based on mutual friends, which could indicate they looked at your profile. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.